Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of privacy on the application of X Twitter. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we go down until you find this window of X Twitter and you click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here in this page you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.